Hey guys, one clue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and have a really good day. In today's video, I want to quickly talk about what changed so far for the Browan or the MerryIOT Browan Helium hotspot. I did a video about an unboxing and an opening. If you want to check them out, you can find the links in the info card or in the video description down below. But in today's video, I want to quickly talk about the dashboard, what has changed, what I like about it, and what I don't like about it. So the first thing you always will see is the miner overlay. So here you will find basic miner info like what's the current Docker version, is the miner Docker status running or not, and you can always check for updates. What changed on this side is what you can see on the bottom, miner reset. This is really interesting. If you're having any issues with your MerryIOT Browan hotspot, you can click the reset button. It will delete automatically every blockchain data and all the Helium software and will do a reload as it mentions here. This will take some time, but to have this option is a perfect opportunity. If you're having any issues and you don't know how to fix this could solve your problem. Okay, let's go to the next page, the system info page. On this side, we get an overview of all the system informations, for example, the firmware version, current time, CPU load average. These are nice datas. I like the fact that we can now see how the CPU load, the memory and the memory usage is, the SD card usage is, and all the information we needed here can be displayed there. That's perfect. The next information tab is the hotspot info. What I like about this page now is that we get a fast sync and that we get a better view of what is the blockchain height and the sync percentage. And we also can do a resync, as you can see. And I really like this fact that we can get this here. The next part is the Ota updates. As I have mentioned in my last dashboard video, it's basically the same. It just shows you what current firmware version you're using. What I don't like about this dashboard is still the look of it. I like all the information we get about it, but I don't like the look of or the display of this dashboard. It's informational, but it is not as fancy as some other dashboards are. And basically this is my only complaint. So thanks MerryIOT, thanks Browan for changing the dashboard, giving us some more information about our hotspot. This is absolutely perfect. Now we can figure out what's going on with our hotspot. So thanks for this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up and see you on the next one.